जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन। आज 10 जनवरी 2023 है और आज के करंट अफेयर्स इस प्रकार से है। सबसे पहला पॉइंट, विच इंडियन ओरिजिन sworn in as the first female Sikh judge in US? Answer is Manpreet Monica Singh. Second, who becomes the first director in history to have three films hit $1.51 billion at the box office? Answer is James Cameron. Third, which city organized the Water Vision 2047 first All India Annual State Ministers Conference on Water? Answer is Bhopal. Fourth, the National Saving Certificate interest rate hiked from Jan March 23 quarter from 6.8 to answer is 7%. Fifth, the first ever inclusive festival for people with disabilities Purple Fest has been kicked off in answer is Goa. Sixth, who is elected as the new Asia Pacific Postal Union Secretary General? Answer is Vinaya Prakash Singh. Seventh, which police wins Best Police Unit Award in Maharashtra? Answer is Jalna District Police and Nagpur City Police. Eighth, as per reports, which Indian city has the highest rates of women employment? Answer is Chennai. Ninth, which state becomes the India's first fully digital banking state? Answer is Kerala. Tenth, who authored the book titled Revolutionaries, the other story of how India win its freedom? Answer is संजीव सान्याल. सो गाइज ये थे आज के करंट अफेयर्स. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू एवरीवन. गॉड ब्लेस यू.